Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Outlook. Outlook means person's attitude to life. For example, broaden your outlook on life. Broaden your outlook on life. Synonyms: point of view, viewpoint, views.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Their bitterness poisons their attitude and their outlook on life. Now, repeat after me. Their bitterness poisons their attitude and their outlook on life. The second exempli. This will help you to have a positive outlook on life. Now, repeat after me. This will help you to have a positive outlook on life. The third exempli. You'll have a groovy new outlook, plus way more energy and enthusiasm. Now, repeat after me. You'll have a groovy new outlook, plus way more energy and enthusiasm.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The original name for butterfly was flutterbee.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.